This is the shed hair I got from this, like, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to do so down below. Let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna be taking out some 1-month-old braids. I've never left my hair in for 1 month. I've been wearing wigs for about a month now. I just haven't taken out the braids, refreshed the braids. So I'm gonna give y'all a little looky look.
Look at my braids. They look so trifling. I did leave my braids in for way too long. You can't even see where I parted my braids. You can't even see my scalp. And these front two braids in the front, which I'm about to show you right now, they are holding it on for dear life. Literally on their last life. Look at this. Oh my god. And by the way, guys, this is makeup, so don't come for me in the comments.
Look at this. It's dirty. That's makeup, if you're wondering. That's makeup. So, look like we got a little bit of new growth in here. So it looked like we got a little bit of new growth in here. So I'm gonna take these braids out and come back to y'all. So I took all my braids out and this is how it's looking. Now I'm looking at my hair, I'm like, dude, like I really missed my hair. So I'm about to go wash my hair and I'll be right back.
Many hours later.
This is the shed hair I got from this, like, I mean, it's not bad. Like, I have gotten worse from leaving my hair in only a week. So maybe.
When it's time for me to blow dry, I get any oil of my choice, and then I start to section my hair into 4 sections. I always find it best to blow dry my hair into 4 sections because it makes it so much easier for me to control.
First, I'm gonna start off by getting some oil in your hand. I just don't like my hair being dry, so I'll put a lot. Give y'all the final length check while it's blown out. It's looking big. I don't know if I could say it grew. I don't know. Yeah, but it's looking a little big. My hair is looking very big. That I can say. It's looking big and puffy. I'm gonna turn around and give you guys a length check, and then that'll be the end of this video. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. If you guys liked it, leave a like down below, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.